Good morning. Our loved ones want us to know that we must communicate with our angels and deliver the healing messages to others. We are being divinely guided, and things will not always be this way. There is a change coming, and this is good news. A chain of events that will affect your life is happening already. So release the past. Time heals all wounds. Um, this came about because we wanted to unburden ourselves of things that didn't serve us anymore. It was time for us to get out of the situation. We were divinely guided in the past to resolve challenges that we had, to withdraw from the drama of others, and have patience with ourselves and others around us. It is a time now to be light-hearted and carefree and committed to your relationships with friends, loved ones, family. Take control of your life. There is justice coming our way, and material needs will be fulfilled in magical ways. Archangel Michael wants us to stay balanced in our lives and use the wisdom of our past experiences right now. Things are speeding up. Um, there is spiritual guidance and protection from harm. So ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. Um, the situations are coming to an end. That's we've been talking about a long way, and there's luck coming our way. There's money coming our way, and divine wishes are being granted. There's lots of love in the air, and the angels want us to know it is our time. They are with us, and they want us to know that this love and material gains are going to bring happiness back into the home. Have a lovely day, everybody. God bless.